So it's been just over a year since I finished building this little house in southern Colorado, and I'm finally finished unpacking, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour. I decided to mount my downhill skis up on the wall there, and in the corner I built a custom bookshelf, which I'm pretty proud of. I'm actually working on producing a long-form video detailing the build and outlining all of the costs, so be sure to keep an eye open for that video. I'll bring you into the kitchen here, which I'm really proud of. I just love how all the colors come together. I did a little backsplash by the sink, butcher block countertops. I did some really cool pantry shelves in the corner that give me a ton of storage space. And then I will show you the rest of the house. The house is 30 by 30, so 900 square feet. I'm completely off-grid. Solar panels. I have a cistern. I haul my own water in from the Fort Garland Water Department. So here is the bathroom. I did really cool tiles from Floor and Decor. And I did, for the door, I did a barn door that I picked up at Home Depot. This is a shot of my backyard. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a really good look at Mount Blanca, which is just less than a mile away. Yeah, the bathroom is on the small side, but it is exactly what I need. And now I'll take you around to the bedroom. I did all of my flooring from Floor and Decor as well. And I'll whip the camera around and give you a shot of my bedroom. Another barn door. I did that one from Home Depot as well. I really like the looks of it. Closets are on the small side, but they're big enough for me. And then I'll bring you into the office here, which is nice. This is where I produce all my YouTube videos. And just finished going through all my papers just the other day, so it feels good to finally have my office clean enough to show on camera. Got another barn door. I got a lot of really cool vintage furniture from the local store in town. I think it's called Wild Roses. It's like a resale shop. They got some really cool stuff at really good prices. But I'll bring you out of the house and show you Mount Blanca, but that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.